Did the market really gap up that big? The SPY's at 393 right now. What in the world is going on over there? What did I miss out on? Ay, ay, ay. All right. Getting ready, getting it going. Here we go. Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. Are you guys excited? Exciting times. What a time to be alive. Anybody? Oh, man. Fresh Cash Fridays. Who would have thought? Here we are. Let's go. It's my time to go. All right. Sorry, getting going this morning. But yeah, what in the world is going on? What? The market's up to 393 right now? Did somebody cure cancer? Is the war over? Is the war over? They cured COVID? What do they do? Right now, the SPY up to the 393 area this morning. Gapping up. Massive gap up here. Yesterday closing at 389. So almost a $4 gap up here. We'll be watching it here at open. We'll be watching it here at open. Let's see what we get. We got about a minute here till the market opens, or a little less. So let's get ready. It's Fresh Cash, Fresh Cash Fridays. Let's go, boys. Make some money today. Make some money. Are you guys excited? Everybody's excited? Here we go. Market is now open for business. We're looking for a move here. See if they just dump it already. If they're going to just dump it. Oh. My platform's going nuts right now. You guys see that? Literally just dropping like a rock. Remember this happened the other day too when our you see level 2, it's just not very clean right now. Oh my gosh. Platform is really lagging right now. Huh. What in the world is happening? Why? Look at that candle at open here. I think my platform's lagging. I'm pretty sure it is. Or maybe it's just me. See, I can't tell if my internet is just totally going crazy or what. Huh. I don't even know what's happening right now. My computer's going nuts. I have the internet company coming today, actually. Spectrum's coming to my house to figure out what in the world's going on with my internet. This is not right. I'm 2 minutes behind you? Oh my gosh. There should not be that long of a delay. Should definitely not be that long of a delay here. What in the world is going on right now? Currently short on the MES. We'll see if we're going to sell down through here. Let's see.
I think Shopify has definitely helped us and many businesses get started. Actually, my wife, she was the one that brought it.
Market selling here. You can see on the MES selling down to the 27s now. There we go. Looking for a nice move here. We're short from the 32s. See if we can break below this 26 here. I'll look to cover a little bit here just to lock it in. And then look for a lower move here. I'm pretty sure my platform is extremely lagging right now. My internet is just dogging. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. I'm not talking about the ghost candle. I'm talking about the fact that my computer is seriously lagging. All right, so we covered most of that short position there. Locking in some quick profit here. I just don't know what's going on with my computer right now. Like I said, I got Spectrum. They're coming this morning to look at my internet, or to work on my internet, I guess. Been having just like weird, like all of a sudden my internet just like stops working and then it's working again. So we'll see what happens here. I got a full spectrum of internet problems. Down to the 920s now on the MES here. I'd like to see a pushback up. Try to get another short opportunity here on the MES. No push. All push, baby. All push. And we'll squeeze back up there. Up to the EMA there on the MES now. So looking for this to roll off again if we can get stuck there at the VWAP. James Bond in the house today. He's been MIA the last few days. Playing around with Goldfinger. See if we get stuck here at the VWAP and start to sell again. Get down there to the low of day. Break below this candle here. Or we squeeze up. Let's see what we get. Looking like we're going to push up here a little bit more. I thought for sure we were going to just fill that gap. Now getting denied at the VWAP. Let's go. Come on. Let's see where this candle closes at. All right, looking for this to sell here. Get down to the 392s. Let's see if it's going to hold the VWAP here. And sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. China loves inflation. Inflation is good for business. Oh, Clay Trader made $500 within the first 12 minutes of trading. Nice. Always good to know that Clay Trader is still out there doing his thing. Waiting to see where this candle closes at. If we close below the VWAP here, we're going to get short. I think that was a close kind of below. Not really where I wanted it at. I think we might push up here now. I would like to see this gap get filled here today. Down to the 389s. SPY trying to squeeze up here. See if it'll push over this 393.20 area up to the 394s. Up to the 394s now. Okay. Looking for this to squeeze up here. Currently long from the 36s on the MBS. See if we can push above the 44s up to the 394 on the SPY. Get us above this high right here at the 42s. We'll see if we can push up there. 394 target on the SPY right now. Oh, come on. Push it. Just trying to push up here. Come on. Look for that 394 touch on the SPY here. Maybe even break through it there. Come on, 394. Touch it. There we go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Push it up now. Come on. 394. Touch it. Currently long from the 36s. Like I said, looking for that push up there to the 44s. 394 on the SPY now. Getting denied there multiple times. I'm taking a profit on those ABS contracts. We should have just squeezed right through there if we were going to go. If we were going to go, we were going to push right through there. All right, so now we're watching again here at the VWAP on the SPY. Let's see if we get a close below there, and then we get short for another breakdown here. I think it's doable. I think it's doable. Let's see. Get this candle to close below the VWAP and just sell, sell, sell. Oh, there we go. We're getting the sell, 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 baby. Let's go. Currently short from the 30s on the MES right now. See if we can get a move down to the low of day, down to the 18s. See if this will go. down to the 18s, low of day. We'll just let this one ride. Looking for a big move here. Give me that 20 handle move. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on. Let's go. From the 30s down to the 20s. I guess 10 handles, not 20 handles. We're going for 10 handles. $10 on this contract. Let's go. Fresh Cash Friday. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Down to the 24s now from my entry at the 30s. If we pop back up, I'll add again, as long as we stay below the VWAP. Or we just let it ride. So pushing back up to the VWAP here. Looking to add some more. You can see on the SPY that big push back up there to the VWAP. So adding there. And we'll see if this continues to sell, sell, sell. Okay, we get the sell, sell, sell. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Let's get that break below 392 here. Go to the moon. Go to the moon. Come on. We normally are trading every morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, baby, live on YouTube. Let's go. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, that like button, you know what to do. There's 126 people watching. There's 36 likes. We can do it better than that, boys. I know we can. We can do it better. Still getting denied here at the VWAP, so we're still looking good. We stay below the VWAP. We're going lower, baby. I'm telling you right now, we're going lower. As long as we stay below the VWAP, we break below that 392 level. Let's do it. There are no bulls left. There are only bears. It's a bear market, my friends. It's a bear market. Oh, no. All right, so we're out of that short there. Break even. We'll let it figure out what it wants to do here. Oh, now it's going to sell again here. The great thing about the MES is I can get out easy. I can get back right back in even easier. It's easy, baby. I just press a button. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Some choppy action right here. Can we get some selling through the 392s here? James Bond says there's a 90% chance we go lower. Okay, okay. I like those odds. 100% of the time, it works 50% of the time. What was that hour? Let me see this. Let me see what James Bond sees. Looking at the hourly chart here on the SPY. Oh, yeah. No, 100% chance it's going lower. 100% chance. There's a 100% chance we're going lower now. Now that James Bond said it. Trading view chart setup. We got the Ripster EMA clouds on there. We got the VWAP, and then we got the support and resistance levels with the breaks. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. I think that's what is that the... Yeah, I already had that one on there. All right, so we should get some selling to come in here now, I'm thinking. I don't know. Come on, let's go. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 papi. What is going on right now with this action? So the SPY trying to push back up here now. Once again. We'll see what happens with this trend right here. Looking for a break below that trend to get short here. Or we ride it long. I just that gap in the chart, man. It's just like I feel like that's like a vacuum, a magnet. It's like a magnet there. Man, look at this. Look at this action right now on the MES. Getting some chop action. Just kind of waiting to see if we get through this level here. Get below that 2060s, try to get short there. Right now, this looking like she wants to go lower. Get that break below this trend here, like I said. There we go. I need to break through that 392 here. Break below 392. Come on. She wants it. Oh, come on. They're just playing with it right now. I see what they're doing here. I see what they're doing. They're just playing with it. These sons of guns. It's a chop fest, my friends. Right now, this market just kind of chopping sideways here, trying to figure out which way it wants to go, up or down. Below the 392s, we're going to fill that gap. And then, I don't know, maybe we push up here. Above the up to the 394s here. If we push above 393 here, it's a 50-50 chance. It's a, like James Bond said, it's a 90% chance. I'm saying it's a 50-50 chance that we can either go higher or lower at this point. Maybe there's also a small chance that we go sideways. You know? I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty much the chance here. Oh yeah, let's do a poll. Higher or lower in 5 minutes? High, low. The poll is live. Let's see what the community thinks. High or low today, boys? In the next 5 minutes, do we go higher or do we lower? Do we break above 393? Do we break below 392? Whatever you guys decide is what I'm going to trade right here. You got me 5 minutes. If you just, I'm whatever you guys say, I'm gonna do it. If you think we're going lower, I'm going to go short. If you think we're going higher, I'm going to go long. Once we get to 100 votes, we get 100 votes, I'm going to make the trade. So you guys are holding my life in your hands. 52% saying high. 43 saying low. We better hurry. We better hurry. The thing's about to make a move, I think. Higher, lower, boys. Come on. 44 votes. All right, I think it's time to do the opposite of what the community said. It's time to get short. You guys can't change your votes as we go. Look at you. Everyone's cheating. I see you. Bunch of cheaters. Oh, now it's going to be 50-50 on the votes. Let's go. That's some funny crap. How are y'all going to do that? How are you going to vote 50-50 that we go higher or lower? You're not helping the cause. You're not helping the idea here. Now lower. Oh, no, back to 50%. 50-50. The poll literally is at 50-50 right now. You guys are literally the worst. You guys are the worst. Well, we're going to end the poll at 50-50. How did we literally end? How did you guys do that? Literally. 68 people voted and somehow you ended up at 50-50 chance. How does that work out? That means we're going sideways. It's a good way to look at it, Rusty Golfer. No trade, just go sideways. Also, if you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Let's go. We got 140 people watching. We got 60 likes. Make my Friday just a little bit better. All you gotta do is hit that like button. It's so simple. It's so easy. You can do it, my friends. Together. Forever. Oh, baby, baby. Well, I would say that after the poll, we have decided that one thing is for sure, that we're going sideways. Watching this 392 level right now, just in case we start to really get selling here. Could be a good short opportunity. We get below that 392 right here. Right below this 392 right here, boys. I've somehow started to memorize this whole copyright-free music. I know the song now. AMC not moassing once again today. Who would have thought? No altcoin. This is the SPY, S&P500, the overall market, the ES, the big time, the little time, all the time. We got micros, we got minis, we got it all. This market is choppy McChopperson right now. Watching that 392 level here for a break. Like I said, we're just getting chopped around this 392, 393 levels. So we get a break below 392, we can get some more selling to come in here. You can see here on the MES, on the IronBeam app. Look at this thing, like ding, 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 ding. No trade on that. Wait for confirmation of a trend here. I know I do not have Luna anymore. Watching this area, 392s. So looking like we're gonna go. We're gonna go lower. Let's go. Maybe we get chopped up here first though. On the SPY. Let's see. Do we push up here? The low of day on that candle was 391.66. We hit 391.80 there on that candle. Not just washing right through there like we wanted. But let's see if we can break through that 391.60 level. Get down there 391 flat pretty quick here. It's a trap, bro. It won't go low. I don't know, man. It could go low. It could go lower. It could go lower. It could go lower. Let's go. Currently short from the 21s. Looking for a move down here to the 391 right now. We're going to get sell, sell, sell. Look at that. The candle, it's selling so much you can't even see the bottom of the chart, baby. Let's go. Taking a little bit of profit down here at the 14s right now. Currently short from the 21s. Like I said, see if we can sell, sell, sell down to the 391s here. There we go. Down to 391, just like I wanted, baby. Let's go. Daddy likey, daddy want. Daddy likes a lot. Somebody said that we were going to go higher, but, you know, sometimes that's the best indicator right there alone. When the people in the chat are saying that it's going to go higher, well, it's time to go short, baby. This is actually why I live stream now. I just start doing the opposite of whatever the chat says. 390, 390s. We're going lower. We're still in the trade. We're still short from the 21s. Down to the 13s now. Can we go all the way down to 391? We are there. 391 flat now. Let's go, boys. I'm taking my profit here at the 11s. Let's go, boys. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Are you guys not as excited as I am right now? Hey, Serenga Diva, don't worry, man. It happens to the best of us. Sometimes you think the market's going to go up and it just goes down. It's the story of my life. And there we go, down to the 07s. Beautiful little short opportunity there. Check this thing out. Oh, baby. From the 25s down to the 09s now. I got short at the 21s, basically breaking below the low of this candle. That was my entry there. We had that engulfing bearish candle right there on the 1 minute chart. We got the breakdown. We're below the EMA. We're below the VWAP. Everything was pointing to only one direction, and only one direction alone, baby. And that was going lower. Somebody said I should have waited to take profit. Honestly, right now, my target, I think, is pretty simple. 10 handles. If I can get 10 handles a trade, that's all I need. I'm not going to be greedy. I feel like sometimes I get too greedy, you know, holding on to a position, and I'm like, I end up like, okay, I'm going to really hold on to this, and then all of a sudden I end up getting out for a smaller win or getting out for break even. So I'm really trying to focus on taking that profit, you know. I took five MES short there. We should get a pushback up here. Looking a little oversold right now. Keeping an eye on this chart. Keeping an eye on the SPY. Can't you put a stop in and then let it go? I mean, you can, but you got to think, though. Like this, the way the market's moving right now, I mean, it moves. I mean, on these 1 minute candles, you're getting, you know, sometimes 6, 7 handles. Yes, I'll trade again. Why is everybody always so worried about what I'm going to do? Everyone's always so worried. I know I'm live on YouTube, but come on. I'm just a person. And I want to let everybody know that 50% of you were wrong with your idea of it going higher. 50% of you were wrong on the poll. See, like right now, the market's going to push back up here a little bit. I wish you could add like a leaderboard. Maybe we could, that would be a pretty cool kind of it'd be like a cool like way to gamify the live stream where like everybody gets to vote, and then like whoever, like at the end of the week, whoever votes like the most like correct in terms of predicting which way the market goes, you could track the votes and then have like a prize at the end of the week, like $1,000. That I gotta figure out, how could we do that? How could we set that up? That'd be pretty cool, actually. you gotta vote. You gotta press the button. You vote, and then at the end of the week, whoever is most on it gets to win. Do a Discord. It's not a bad idea. There we go. Lower now. Pushing down there to the 05s on the MES. I got to think about how we can set this up. It seems very doable. How could we do that? Make it a whole game. Just really totally gamify it. The problem is you got to figure out like an easy way to do it, because you don't want to make it too hard to track everything. Looking like the MES wants to push back up here off the 05s a little bit. Like I said, just being oversold to the downside here. So my last cover was at the 11s. So if we push it back above 11s, I won't feel so bad. Not that I feel bad either way, locking in profit, my friends. I'll never be mad about locking in profit. That's one thing I've learned trading for the last 4 or 5 years now, is sometimes you just lock in the profit. Nothing bad about that. There's always more trades to come. So the MES trying to figure out, the SPY trying to figure out, does it want to go lower here? A little bit of sideways action. I'm trying to think about how we could do this. How could we do this? Ooh, 386 will get hit, maybe by lunch. James Bond coming through with the big pull of the day. That's a pretty aggressive target, but I mean, I will say James Bond has been right many times before. Now he's quoting himself. James Bond, you don't need to quote yourself. We all saw what you said. Don't be that guy. Time stamping his quotes now. Oh, come on. Now we're getting more quotes. There's nothing worse than somebody who has to literally post his time stamps. Man. See, we get this push up here. Where do we sell? I'm thinking we get some type of push up here. Maybe just a small push up. Looking a little oversold down here right now. Market never likes to just go directly down or directly up. So not that I felt bad, like I said, but you can see now I covered down there at the 11s. We're pushing back up. So either way, I would have ended up getting out. Somebody said I should hold on for longer, but you know, I think there's nothing wrong with taking a little bit of profit. Pushing up here now. James Bond says 915 at the best. At best. This guy's really throwing out the calls today. Really calling out the calls. Let's see if it'll 915 at the best. I feel like it's just like, why, you know, honestly, like you're just setting yourself up for failure. Being that uh-oh. Wow. If this turns down right now, oh no. I just ordered a fan off of Amazon. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's summertime here in Hawaii, and it gets freaking hot. I'm like, sometimes I'll be sitting here live streaming, and I'm literally just dripping in sweat. I don't know if you guys wanted to know that, but it gets freaking hot. I got no AC. Most houses in Hawaii don't have AC unless you're like a millionaire, billionaire, because the electricity is so damn expensive. So. All right, James Bond, let's see what you got here. 915 at best. I'm short with a stop at the 915s on the MES here. I only trade off of James Bond calls. I'm just going to close my eyes and just enter the trades that James Bond says have a 90% chance of happening. I honestly think this could be a fun thing. I got to talk to some developers. But if we could figure out a way that people could vote live while streaming on YouTube, maybe like, have to like obviously make another website, something like that. But if people could vote live during the stream, and then everybody has a username, and whoever votes the most consistent for the week can get like a weekly prize. No, I mean, I know it's possible, but I'm just saying I want to do it like the best possible way. I want it to be like I don't want it to be gimmicky. And I don't want it to be through Discord either. I'd rather it be like because the problem is like if people have to sign up for Discord, like not everyone has a Discord. So I would rather it be, like a standalone website. That way everybody who is in the stream can check it out. All right, James Bond 915 at best is holding. I'm short. Let's go. 915. Look at that. Oh gosh, I start talking and then it goes back up. Story of my life. Currently short from the 912s. I ain't selling, or I ain't covering. Looking for a break below that 3,900 here. Currently short from the 12s on the MES. See if we can break below 390 here. That would be sell on the SPY here. We're up $100 on this trade so far. 120. Let's go. 140. 150. Drop it like a rock. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Looking to cover down at this. Covering one contract. Got 5 contracts. Looking for a break below the 05s here. There we go. Getting some cover at the 04s now. You can see the low of day down there at the 898 there. We're locking in profit as we go here. We don't want to be greedy. No greedy people. No pigs today, boys. Just the bulls and the bears. Got an order out there at the 03s to get covered. Let's see if we can get filled. And we're getting filled. Beautiful. We're up $82 on only 2 contracts left right now. So beautiful move so far here. I'm going to take a little bit more profit. Got 1 contract left. We'll let this one ride. See if we can't break below the 390s here. You can see my entry on the DOM of the 12s here. So we are rocking. We are rolling. 390, 390, 390 break, baby. She's still going lower. And there we go. Getting all out at the 03s from the 12s. That's pretty much 10 handles. 10 handles. I'm just calling it. That's like, what, 8 to 9 handles. So I'll take it. Beautiful little move there. You can see on the 9. This is actually a moved. I changed this, didn't I? I changed this to the 14 EMA, didn't I? I think I changed it. Yeah, so I changed it to the 14 EMA today. I had it at the 9 EMA before, but I felt like that was maybe too tight. So now we got the 14 EMA on that 1 minute chart. So getting covered down there at the 03s on this beautiful Fresh Cash Friday. Guys, let's have a moment, right? Right now, there's 140 people watching. We got 80 likes. I don't know why people are so stingy. It costs you nothing to hit that like button. Literally costs you nothing. Nothing at all. You just hit the like button and you win. What do you win? You win this. You get me. It's the best prize you could ever have. So don't be afraid. Let's do it. We need 100 likes or more. It's just simple. It's just simple math. 100 likes equals $100 in your pocket. There we go. And we're back. Whew. I had to have a little meltdown there. I had a little meltdown. Okay, I have an idea. This could work out. All right, look, check this out. Y'all ready for this? If we can get, I'm going to figure out a way to do the, what do you guys think about this? This is going to be fun, right? We get the poll going. We do daily prizes. We do weekly prizes. We do monthly prizes. $1,000 a month given away to whoever is on point when it comes to the polls. And then do like, maybe like, I got to figure out how much money I can give away here. But if we do $1,000 a month to give away to one person, and then we do another, what do you think, like $100 in a day? $100 a day? That's like $3,000 a month though. Well, like $2,500 a month. That's gonna get expensive. There's that pushback up. Good thing I got covered where I got covered at. Thank you. Everybody says I should just hold forever. No. Oh man, AMC down to the 1275 level. Some guy on there's a guy on YouTube that literally every single day he comes and he comments on my video. He's like, hey, AMC's still not $1. AMC's still not $2. AMC's not $9. I'm like, guy, literally look at the chart on AMC this week. It's went from $12 to like 13. I mean, it's literally just went sideways for the last, I don't even know. Maybe it's a little trend up, but let's be honest. Like, this is not the MOAS. Everybody gets excited. People are like excited that it went from $9 to $12.76. Like, let's pump the brakes, my friends. Let's pump the brakes here. Let's not get too excited. The SPY trying to push back up here to the 390.50s now. Dude, the guy Lou from Wall Street is literally on crack. I mean, it's anybody who watches that guy Lou from Wall Street and actually like thinks that he's like some, I don't even know, like some stock prophet. Oh my God, the guy is literally like filming videos from like porta potties. I'm not sure if he's homeless or what. It's insanity. And the best part is he somehow gets a lot of views. Like, it's crazy. We're living in a fantasy world now. Check this guy out. While the market is doing whatever it's doing. I mean, this guy is literally on crack. He made a video about me too. That's just funny. Look at this. He gets 15,000 views. 15,000. This is how desperate and pathetic. Like, look at this guy. This is what he just makes these videos on YouTube. It's literally, it's insanity. It's a video of him like in a hotel room or something. I don't even know. Yeah, I think it's like a hotel room or a little house. I don't even know where he lives at. But man, now he's claiming that YouTube's blocking the streams because of AMC. Oh man, it's insane. Oh, you want to watch? Guy's insane. The AMC apes are literally on another level. The people that are running the AMC ape movement are literally crackheads. They're literally crackheads. Like, no offense to the apes, but like the people that are promoting your movement are literally crackheads. And I say that in the nicest of ways. I say that with utmost respect for crackheads. like literally, like, could you? I don't get it. It's freaking nuts. Whole another level of insanity. All right, so the SPY trying to push back up here. We got covered there at the, I think 03 was my last cover. So, not a bad move. I just can't imagine, like, could you imagine holding AMC shares for the last year and like thinking that one day magically the MOAS would happen? Oh, Maverick of Wall Street. One of those guys that makes videos without showing his face and then just posting up news articles and then talking about the news articles. You guys, see, I'm always so confused. Like, what people really think is, like, quality and what's not quality. I'm doing it all wrong. I'm doing it all wrong. I'm going to change up my whole entire YouTube. I'm going to start just reading news articles. And then I'm going to just make false claims all day. And I'll get way more people watching. I remember when Elon was buying Twitter, all the AMC apes were like, look, we got to convince Elon to buy AMC. I know. Like, some guy the other day was like arguing with me about Bitcoin. To be fair, the AMC has outperformed SPY over the past year. To be fair, AMC is also down 80% since the highs. So, I don't think the SPY is definitely not down 80%. Definitely not 80%. So I'm not sure that's a good stat. All right, so the SPY trying to push back off that 390. So we closed the gap there on the chart like we were looking for. We were hoping, like I said earlier, that gap in the chart, it's like a vacuum, man. It's like a vacuum trying to pull this down to that level, and that's exactly what we got. You just think about, I think about gaps in charts as basically like a black hole, right? I mean, literally, I made a video talking about AMC when it was $60, saying it would go to 15, and everyone said I was an idiot. It would never, people literally said it would never go below $40. And then they said it would never go below 30. And then they said it would never go below 20. And then they said it would never go below 10. It's crazy. And I'm the bad guy. I'm the bad guy over here. You guys should see the comments and messages that I get from people. People get like so mad at me so offended. They think that I'm the one controlling the price of AMC. The reason that AMC is down is because of Patrick Wieland. I made a video on YouTube and it's crashed the entire AMC play, all because of Patrick Wieland. I'm paid off by the hedge funds, and I also control the market. Hey, you know, not a bad way to live. So I'm going to go live. Well, we're going to stay live here till probably like another 20, 30 minutes. And then I'm going to go do some foiling. I'm going to go surfing today. We got some waves. We haven't had waves here in Hawaii. Well, at least on the North Shore for a minute. So we're going to go surfing later. Surfing. Oh, yeah. No, I wake up at 3:30 in the morning so that I can turn the market on. Live from Hawaii. We're live from Hawaii today to turn the stock market on. Get ready. AMC. And the funny thing is with the whole AMC thing is that they always like tell me like, yeah, but you don't ever talk about the facts. You never talk about the facts. And I'm like, what facts? The facts that the company has been losing money for the last 10 years? The fact that the CEO got paid $3 million as a bonus for what? The facts. It's insanity. Just because you believe a conspiracy theory does not mean that it's a fact. And I think that's where a lot of people go wrong with trading. You know, just because you believe that, oh, AMC, there's all these shorts, just because you believe that the stock market is rigged, that it's manipulated, does not make it a fact. It's very simple. I think so many people confuse the idea of what a fact is versus what your opinion is, you know. And the best part is like now you have all these websites that are selling like this data, you know, the short data, the FTDs, like, and then people are like, yeah, but look at the FTDs, you know, the FTD. It's always like crazy. Looking for a sell here. Let's see. We get down into the 390s now on the MES. Well, on the SPY. We can sell on the MES. Looking for this breakdown here. I think we're going to get it. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's do it. Get below the 05s here on the MES. Currently short from the 08s. Looking for a breakdown below this level. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Taking a little bit of profit there. Looking for this to move down to the 900s, 3,900 flat. We're currently short, like I said, from the 08s there. You see that red line on the DOM. Looking to lock in some profit as we go here. Just in case we bounce off this level. I'm okay with taking some profit. Nothing wrong with taking profit, my friends. You can see the SPY should continue to sell through here, but we'll see what happens. Watching this. I want to see this break below 390 here. Get the break, baby. Get the break below 390. Come on. I think if we break below 390, we can definitely move down here to the 389s next pretty quickly. That was a pretty bearish engulfing candle there. So as long as we don't find support here at the 390s, we should continue to sell, sell, sell. Hey, thanks, Vitaly. I'm fresh to death, baby. What can I say? I wake up in the morning and I piss excellence. The $1 million man with the $1 million plan, baby. Y'all heard that saying before? I piss excellence. Oh, it just, you know, I don't like to talk about it, but I talk about it sometimes. I control the market. Whee! Oh. It's getting hot in here, boys. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I always wonder if my neighbors can hear me in the morning. They're probably like, what? I mean, I live like, I'd say I got like 100 yards, I don't know what, 50 yards between my house and my neighbor's house. They hear me over here yelling and screaming. Every morning at 3:30 just over here. Because the problem is my house, like the window, like this is a pretty old house. And, you know, the walls and everything are pretty thin. So, I mean, if I'm over here yelling and screaming, I'm sure they hear me. Thinking I'm murdering somebody. He's murdering someone over there. Oh, man. I'm still here. Just give me 1 second. I gotta transfer something over on this computer so I can upload it. Looking for a move lower, baby. Below the 390s. Let's go. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I like this idea though, boys. Think about this, right? We do the live streams. We have the voting. We get people to sponsor. I get companies to sponsor the stream. We'll use that money to pay out on the votes. Woo! This could be a thing. This could be a thing. Could really take us to the next level, boys. Next level together. I'll sell. You guys can buy stock. Stock in Patrick Wieland's live stream. I'll do an offering. I need the AMC apes to come over here and buy into the Patrick Wieland live stream business. $10.05? We're still short from the 08s, looking for a break below the 390s here. I covered some of my position, but we still got some locked in. Talking some profit down here at the 03s, 02s. I got to lock in some profit because I got to pay out on all these. The winner gets 1 AMC share. That's cruel. That's cruel. You're a cruel, cruel person, Hayden. Hayden's going to sell his wife's car so that he can buy stock in the Patrick Wieland live stream business. I don't suggest it, but hey, you know, I'm not going to tell you not to do it. Obviously, nothing that I say here on the channel is financial advice, by the way. If you listen to an idiot on the internet with hair like mine and, you know, that's your fault. I feel like that's the way that I look and the way that I dress. Like, I feel like I don't even have to say that it's not financial advice, because if you look at me and you think that this is financial advice, well, you're doing it all wrong. This is the furthest thing from financial advice you have ever seen on the internet. So I'm going to cover most of my position on this pushback up here. Just don't want to get squeezed out of it for a loss. We'll look for what companies would I want to sponsor this channel? Well, we already have some sponsors, so I don't think it would be really hard. You gotta get an energy drink sponsor. Red Bull. It gives you wings for trading. See, this is right now is the moment that would be perfect for the polls. All right, new poll. Are you ready? Here goes. Let's see what happens. Do we get the 390 break in the next, I don't know, whatever amount of time? Get your vote in now. I'm going to close the vote in like 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Maybe a little less, 30 seconds, 1 minute. Let's do 1 minute. 390 break, 390 break. Is it going to happen? Yes or no? Vote now. Vote now. I know. I don't like you guys are sandbagging the vote sometimes. Let's see what's going on here. You're waiting for the market to move, then you're voting. We got 63% voting yes for the break below 390. We got no's at the 36%, and I'm about to close this vote here in about 2 seconds. And the final toll, the final poll, the count is 65% of you voted yes, and 34% voted no. I think this might be one of those ones where the overall majority is right. Not wrong. I mean, this thing's looking pretty much like it wants to go lower here. Looking like this right now. Looking like this right now. Look at that trend break earlier too, guys. I mean, was that pretty much on point? From the 92s down there to 90 now. Uh-oh. This thing looking like it might want to break the upside here. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. Amen to that. Amen to that. Let's see what happens here at the 390.57 level right now. We got that resistance showing up there on the chart. That overall trend. Does it break to the downside here? We're watching the 05s on the MES. A little pushback up here. If this candle closes the way it's looking, I think we're going to squeeze up here, boys. Got a minute 40 on this 3-minute candle here. You can see on the MES right now at that key level, watching it right here. I'm going to be watching the 05s for a break to the downside here. 05 for the breakdown, if we're going to get it. Just don't want this market to move up too much here. Hey, Hayden Huey's on the rums. That must be some Australian code word for rum. Code word for alcohol, rums. 390. Is it going to break here? This would work out perfectly for this to break to the downside here. It would just technically, it would just be perfect. It would just be a perfect little bear flag here. There we go. Below 390. Daddy likey. I'm short from the 05s, like I said, before it happened, before the move even happened. Let's go. Looking for a move, baby. We're going to be locking in a little bit of profit down here. It's Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. Remember, you can't make money if you don't take profit, boys. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a little bit of profit as we go down here. We're sell, sell, sell. We're locking it in. We love it. We like it a lot. Mega Money Fridays, baby. If you're not in this live stream, what in the hell are you doing right now? What are you wasting your time anywhere else? Down to the 89s. Going to the low of day, 98s. We're still short from the 05s. Beautiful move. Taking some profit as we drop down here. Still got one contract left. I'm going to lock it in all right there at the 0.75 just to lock it in. It's Friday. Like I said, I'm going to go foiling here, surfing here a little bit. It's 4:48 here in Hawaii. Sunrise is coming. Can you guys believe it? I'm actually on the other side of the planet right now. If you live in Florida, if you live on the East Coast, we're literally on different opposite sides of the planet, and we're just hanging out. And then you got Hayden Huey on the other side. Well, actually, he's closer to me than I'm closer to you. I think Australia is probably closer to Hawaii than the East Coast. Or maybe, no, I guess Australia. No, it might be closer. I might be right in the middle, actually. If anybody in the stream right now is a developer, or if you got some idea, some technology stuff going on in your head, let me know. I got some big plans here. I think I've figured out how to really turn this live stream into the next big thing. Australia, yeah, because the Earth's flat, so Australia doesn't exist. Market still trying to go lower here, below the 90s now. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, well, I know I'm closer to the USA, but definitely Australia is closer than Florida. Nice little continuation here, the sell through. You can see that push back up to that resistance, getting denied and selling down to the 95s here on the MES. I feel like we've had some pretty good setups today, boys. Today it was definitely a good day. I don't know about you, but I felt like it was a good day. The best part is everybody got all excited this morning. The bulls. Imagine being a bull this morning and waking up and being like, "Oh wow, the market gapped up. It's a good day to buy call options." Oh no. Man. Not a good day to be a bull. Down to the 389. Freddie said there's no real selling. Oh gosh. If this isn't real selling, I don't know what is, Freddie. It seems like it might be real selling. I'm not sure, but I think it might be. Oh, baby, we're going. Look, I said, that 389 level getting broken, just going lower. The next support, 388.36. Denied. If you were bullish this morning, you're watching the wrong live stream. Like I said, that gaps love to be. Somebody said this morning that gaps don't always love to be filled, but I don't know about you. It looks like this gap's getting filled and then going lower. Down, look at that. Down perfectly to that support. 388.36. You guys saw that news about Elon Musk supposedly telling a flight attendant that if she touched his pee-pee or had sex with him, that he would buy her a horse. Supposedly, that's the whole speculation, or, you know. I wouldn't doubt it, you know. People do weird shit, especially on a private jet. You know, you're on a private jet, you feel like you can just do whatever you want, but you can't. What's crazy is she only got paid $250,000 to walk away. If Elon Musk told me to touch his pee-pee, I would get at least, like, you know, $2 million. Hated Huey said he's done a lot more for a lot less. I'm not making jokes about it, but like I said, I feel like Elon Musk got away with no, you get $2 million to not touch his pee-pee. My YouTube's for sure getting demonetized. Oh gosh. Here comes the cancel culture. Get ready. Any minute now, it's gonna get canceled. I can't believe my YouTube hasn't already got canceled. They tried. They've tried so many times. You know how many times the apes have reported my YouTube channel? That's the best. Everyone always, I reported your YouTube channel for false information. I'm like, I'm not Alex Jones, guys. People think that I'm over here, Alex Jones of the stock market, spreading false information. Patrick said AMC was going down. He's spreading false information. Hated Huey. You gotta bump your prices up, my friend. $200 is too cheap. Too cheap. Yeah, it was very interesting how the minute that Elon said, kind of went against the Democratic Party, that now all this stuff's coming out. I got nothing wrong with Alex Jones, but it's just funny because people like love to say that I'm spreading false information about stocks and things like that. Just because I believe a stock is going to go lower does not mean it's false information. It's called trading. This market continuing to sell here down to the 388s. Look at this on the MES now. This probably would have been one of those setups where I could have held, you know, my short a little longer. But there she is, down to 388 on the SPY 41. Gotta love it. You just gotta love it, my friends. Oh, baby. This is what's very interesting as well. Look at the weekly chart here on the SPY. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks of red on the SPY so far. I don't know about you guys, but that 338 area looks like it wants to get touched. I would say like 320 be in the bottom. I'm not going to call it the bottom, but I'm saying 320 would be a target. I would be, you know, I'm thinking that like this is one of my plans for this year is if we get another pop, like if we get one more pop on the SPY, maybe push back to the 420s. I'm looking to buy some like 340 puts or maybe 360 puts for the end of the year. What do you guys think about that? I think that's a pretty good trade. But we need to pop back up. We need a little pop back up to like the 420 area on the SPY. We need the kind of like this move here. We need a little dink. Problem is I don't want to just get short right here. I want to get short. Wait, I'm not even showing you guys. Look, wrong chart. So right now, like I said, the weekly candles, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weekly candles, red, red, red. So I would like to see this kind of push back up, and then we get that roll off at the end of the year here. So that's kind of what I'm watching for, like an overall bigger trade. Trying to buy those 360 puts, but I'd want to get the market to push back up some more. I agree with you, Dave. Sometimes that's the hardest thing when the market's doing what it's doing right now, when it's just sell, sell, sell. You're like, okay, do I get short down here? But this is getting short at this level would definitely be FOMO. Do you want to be FOMOing into this? That's the issue. I think you had a really good setup on the 3-minute chart on, I mean, come on. Look at that setup on the chart here this morning. Anybody that missed out on this move, woo, like I said, those 05s was a key area here on the MES. That 05 area, we broke below the 05. Now we're down there to 82. That's about a 20 handle move. All live right here on the live stream. We're live on the live stream, all announced before the move happened. Unlike Jim Cramer, I live and die by my trades, baby. Down to the 387 now, just continuing to sell, sell, sell. This market is done, baby. There are no bulls left. Like I said the other day, there are no bulls left in this market. It's a bear market. Look at this thing, just selling. Ouch. She's still going lower. Who said it was going to go higher? Where'd the guy? Somebody said it was going to go higher. Said a 90% chance it goes higher. 90% chance. That's some serious conviction. Oh, so later on today, I'll be posting up a video. It's a day in the life of Patrick Wieland here in Hawaii, doing some crazy things. We're just doing crazy things out there. A little bit of a bounce here. Obviously, the market just really oversold right now, so expecting some type of little bounce back up. Like I always say, the market's not going to just go straight down. It's not going to just go straight up. It's going to be little waves, baby. Ride the waves. We're surfing the waves, boys. Surfing the waves here. It's still pitch black out right now. What are you guys talking about? 5:15. Crazy. Freddie, you just said 5 minutes ago that there was no selling happening. I'm just playing. I love all you guys. I love everybody except for the AMC apes. I also love them. They're my little friends, my special friends. Those AMC apes are my special friends. Market continuing to go lower here. Oh, man, it's going to be a bloody day. Bloody day. It's going to be a bloody day, boys. Bloody year, bloody day. Let's go. All right, so I'm actually, like I said, I gotta go and do some fun stuff. Do some surfing. We've been live since 3:30 a.m. So I gotta go. It's been great. We'll be live next week, 9:30 a.m. Monday morning, 8 a.m. Eastern. So again, big thank you for everyone for tuning in. It's been a lot of fun. Enjoy all of you guys hanging out and having fun here on the stream. Hopefully everyone has a great weekend. The market, sell, sell, sell. We're making some money. It's Fresh Cash Friday. And well, here we are. Now it's time to go enjoy all the hard work that we put in there. So, James Bond starting his own YouTube now. So I guess I can just go ahead and kick him off my channel. See you later, James Bond. All right, all right. So again, like I said, big thanks tuning in. Talk to you guys later on.